Imagine a world where healing goes beyond the physical, a world where you can tap into the very blueprint of your being to unlock profound transformation and deep inner peace. This is the promise of unity field healing, an innovative energy medicine technique that is changing the way we understand and experience healing on multiple levels. UFH is not just another healing modality, it is a radical shift in perspective, a journey into the quantum realm of our existence where true healing begins and unfolds. UFH recognizes that we are not just physical beings, but complex energetic systems. Our bodies are intricately woven with energy fields that influence our health and well-being on a fundamental level. When these energy fields are blocked or out of balance, it can manifest as physical, emotional, or spiritual dis-ease, disrupting our overall harmony. And UFH works by clearing these blockages and restoring harmony to the energy system, allowing the body's natural healing abilities to take over and function optimally. UFH is a gentle yet powerful approach to healing that can be used to address a wide range of issues. Whether you are struggling with a physical ailment, emotional distress, or simply seeking deeper spiritual connection and personal growth, UFH can help you to achieve optimal health and well-being, bringing balance and vitality into your life. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into the principles and practices of UFH, exploring how this transformative modality can empower you to reclaim your health and step into your full potential, unlocking a new realm of possibilities. Unity field healing takes us beyond the realm of traditional medicine and into the fascinating world of quantum physics, where the boundaries of what we know are constantly being pushed. It is founded on the understanding that we are more than just physical beings. We are also energetic beings with a unique energetic blueprint that defines our essence. This blueprint, often referred to as our spiritual DNA, holds the key to our health, well-being, and spiritual evolution, guiding us on our life's journey. Spiritual DNA is not the same as our physical DNA, which is more commonly understood. While physical DNA determines our physical characteristics, spiritual DNA governs our energetic makeup, influencing our emotional and spiritual states. It contains information about our soul's journey, our past lives, our karmic patterns, and our highest potential, offering a map to our true self. UFH works directly with this spiritual DNA, using specific frequencies and energetic templates to clear blockages, release limiting beliefs, and activate dormant potentials, allowing us to thrive. By working at this deep, energetic level, UFH facilitates profound and lasting transformation that extends far beyond the physical body, touching every aspect of our being. This quantum approach to healing recognizes the interconnectedness of all things, bridging the gap between science and spirituality. It acknowledges that we're not isolated individuals, but rather integral parts of a vast, interconnected web of energy where every action has a ripple effect. By tapping into this universal energy field, UFH allows us to access a limitless source of healing and transformation, empowering us to reach our highest potential and live our best lives. Central to the philosophy of unity field healing is the understanding that true healing comes from within, originating from the depths of our own consciousness. It recognizes the innate wisdom of the body and the power of the subconscious mind to guide us towards wholeness and balance. However, often we are disconnected from this inner wisdom, lost in the busyness of our minds and the relentless demands of the external world. UFH bridges this gap by facilitating a deep connection with our higher self, the wise and intuitive aspect of our being that holds the blueprint for our highest good and ultimate well-being. This connection is essential for healing because our higher self knows us better than we know ourselves, understanding our true needs and desires. Through specific techniques and meditations, UFH practitioners guide individuals to access the profound wisdom and guidance of their higher self. This connection allows for a deeper understanding of the root causes of dis-ease and empowers individuals to make conscious choices that support their healing journey and overall well-being. The process of connecting with the higher self is deeply personal and empowering, fostering a sense of inner peace and clarity. It fosters a sense of self-responsibility and allows individuals to become active participants in their healing process, taking charge of their own health and happiness. By aligning with the wisdom of the higher self, we open ourselves to a life of greater purpose, joy, and well-being, embracing our true potential and living authentically. Pause 3. S. To learn more about Unity Field Healing, or if you are interested in becoming a practitioner, be sure to visit our website www.unityfieldhealing.com. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Unity Field Healing. May you find peace, healing, and a deeper connection with your true self. Until next time, be well and stay connected.